Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the baseline. Open Settings, Battery Health, and note the percentage and any performance messages. Once done, make sure iOS is fully updated so calibration changes stick. Plug in a reliable, Apple-certified charger. You want stable power. Then fully charge to 100% and leave it on the charger for 1 hour. This conditions the battery meter. While it charges, close background apps and disable heavy network tasks, so charging. Now you execute the deep cycle that helps recalibrate the reporting. Use the phone until it powers off at 0%, then charge uninterrupted to 100% once. Avoid using it during this charge. After it reaches 100, keep it plugged in for another hour to stabilize the battery gauge. Next, reset only settings, not erase content, in Settings General Transfer or Reset. This clears misreported sensor data while preserving your apps and files. To finish, use the phone normally across several charge cycles and check battery health again. Small improvements can appear after 2 to 3 cycles. If the percentage remains far from 100 and performance messages persist, back up your data and reinstall iOS via Finder or iTunes to rule out software causes. If that fails, run Apple Diagnostics or visit an Apple store for battery replacement. Aging cells cannot always be fixed by calibration, so professional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.